Equity scholarships are awarded to students most in need of financial support. To apply, click the Apply or Log In button on the UAC website and select Equity Scholarship Application from the drop-down menu. Click the Start button. Take a minute to read the important information about the application, then click Proceed with your application. Enter your personal details and contact information. You'll then be asked if you have a current application for tertiary study and if you are already a tertiary student. You'll need to be able to answer yes to one of these to continue. Enter all the requested information and click Continue. Your application number and PIN will be displayed. We'll also email these to you. Now it's time to tell us about your circumstances. Respond to each question and enter the requested details. Once you're finished, click Continue. Check your application summary carefully and use the edit icon to go back and make any necessary changes. Once you're happy with the information on this page, click the Submit button. A declaration and authority window will appear. It explains the terms and conditions of your application. Tick the box to agree to these terms and conditions, and then click Submit My Application. There are just a few things left to do. First, download your confirmation of application for your records. Next, download your document package. There is a separate one for each circumstance you are claiming. It tells you what documents you need to upload for that circumstance. If you already have your documents ready, upload them straight away by clicking the Choose File button. Select the document you need from your computer, then click Upload. If you need to upload your documents later, that's fine. Just log back into your application using your Equity Scholarship application number and PIN. Select the Upload Documents tab and follow the prompts. You can select the other tabs to change your personal details, claim other circumstances, and check your application outcome. We'll also email you to tell you if your application is successful. Just remember, if you miss out on a scholarship, it doesn't mean that you are not in need. It just means that other applicants have been assessed as being in greater need. If you have any questions, email equity@uac.edu.au.